Hello everyone, this is Zubair. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I spoke about what is DHCP server and how the client get or PC or any device in the network, how we get the IP address. So we talk about three methods, I believe so. The one method is automatic or static. The next method was the DHCP server, or automatically the client get from the server. And the third way was alternative, and fourth was a paper. Paper was if the PC or the client gets failed to get in by the two-way, so the device will give the IP address. And the important thing you need to know about the IP address is not routable. It will not connect to the internet or in any network. So in this video now we are going to talk about how to install the HCV server in Windows Server 2025. This is my server. This is my server. My DHCP Windows Server 2025. In this server, I already have Active Directory. So let's see how we are going to install the DHCP role in this server. So in the production environment, you can have separate member server and install the role of DHCP. But here I don't have enough CPU and RAM, so I'm going to install in the same domain controller. So let's get started. Go to Start menu. This is my server. Go to Start menu and click in the server manager. Then let's wait until reload the roles. Then go to tools. Now this is tools. Here you have all the roles that it has been installed. So we have already have Active Directory and computer, and I think only group policy and the DHCP I already have. Okay, so I already have the SCP. I was thinking I don't have, but let's remove it and install it again. Okay, let's remove the DHCP role and then we'll install it together. Okay, I'll remove it. So I'm removing the HCP server. I was thinking I don't install in this server, but unfortunately it's already installed. So I'm removing now. Then later we'll see how we install. So as you can see, I removed the HCP role. I believe so. So the role is removed. Let's go to tools, and here still I can see because it needs to restart. Let's restart. I am the server. Restart. So as we can see now, I restarted after I remove the SCP role. So let's see how we are going to install the SCP server step by step. So first let's go to start menu and then click on the server manager. Then let's wait until reload the server. Then we're going to go manage. But seriously, let's see this in the tools if the SCV role is available. So currently I have only Active Directory users and computer. So let's install. Let's see how we are going to install the SCV server role in this PC. So click on manage and then add role and features. Then next, then next, then this is the server that I'm going to install the SCP role. So next, then we are going to look for the DHCP role. Why I cannot see? Should be here, right here, this CSV role. Then I just click in the CSV add role and then next, then next, then install. So, so in this video, what we are doing is we are installing the DHCP role, and later we are going to authorize the DHCP role, and then in the next video we are going to see how we are going to create, how we are going to configure the DHCP server. Then we are going to see how we are going to create the IP scope, and then we are going to see how the client will get the IP address. So on this video only we are seeing how to install this DHCP server. Then we'll see how to authorize it. Without authorization, you cannot active the DHCP server will not be active. So now, sir, I think the DHCP is installed. So here we are going to here and complete the DHCP configuration. And then next, then it will ask the administrator account. So administrator credential. So this is the administrator credential, and then connect. Now the CV authorize it. Where I can see here, if you come back to the tools, then the SCP. Here I can see the SCP server. So the next video we are going to see how we are going to configure the scope. Until the next, thank you.